Hello guys, in today's video, I am going to teach you how to send some GIFs on Steam in just a few steps. So let's get started. So what we're gonna do guys, of course, you need to open the application or software. Okay, the Steam actually. So in the store dashboard, as you can see here, so there's no such GIF here, but we can do that by searching out here on the search section. So you can search the gift cards, okay, and hit the enter. Okay, at the first result, you can see here the Steam, okay, gift cards. So click that one. And after that, guys, you can see here a lot of or two options. So we have here digital gift cards and also gift cards. So you can send a digital Steam gift card, and also you can redeem a gift card. So let's say we wanted to send some digital Steam gift card. Okay, just click that one. And of course, you can choose whatever you wanted. If it is for 200 pesos, 400, 1,000, 2,000, 4,000 is up to you guys. So let's say you choose the 200. Okay. So click that 200. And actually you can search a specific name of your friends on Steam that you wanted to send that gift. So after that, guys, after filling this and also your friend, like a message, just hit continue. Okay. So after clicking that continue, guys, okay, so you can actually send your Steam gift to your friends. Okay, so that's it, guys. So actually I don't have any friends here on Steam, so I can continue with this process. And after that, guys, there's gift note here, payment and info, and review the purchase. So if it is successful, guys, and you're good, guys. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoy and learn from this quick tutorial, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorial in Steam application. Thank you.